So now since morning we don't do they clean this place. My mates they don't even come out safe. They wait for motor. They can't carry everything come out.
Wow, that's good. So where are you from?
Where are you from?
Yes.
I'm from Edo State.
Edo State.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. So what is your name?
My name?
Yes, your name.
My name na Ovuvwe Enyetuenwe Osas.
Pardon? Come again.
Ovuvwe Enyetuenwe Osas.
I mean, what is your name? Your name, Afagi.
Now my name I call for you now.
Call it again.
Ovuvwe Enyetuenwe Osas.
Spell them.
I don't feel spell them.
That be your name. I don't feel spell them.
If you not say we no go school now. If you feel help me spell them.
Okay. I come again. I help you spell them.
Ovuvwe Enyetuenwe Osas.
Jesus. I want to spell it for you.
Ovuvwe Enyetuenwe Osas.
Where was that from?
Simple. It's very simple now.
But where was that from?
Why they cry now?
Call him again.
I know they make you cry.
Call him again.
How many times I will call the name for you now? The person who spell them before say they very easy.
You wicked.
Ordinary Ovuvwe Enyetuenwe
Leave my camera.